Kwaba. Honorable.
Hello.
Marchi.
Nana.
Deputy Majority Chief Whip was also a member of Parliament for a Pandai. Honorable Bejina Swama, BBC or Parliament and Ra. Now, you ever say a bebo a yera Okude Tabla Kwan in the area na fe about Honu Abedinko.
Mate.
Process, no due process, and all of that. It's just unfortunate, sir. Instead of the majority, every prayer, now you tenacity, now you build the consensus. Almost say, almost koswa, aye, almost vetting in flagrant disregard of even notification. The general public, publishing. Program of Parliament are approving. There is no regard for the program that has been approved by this House. And I think it is most unfortunate. But the risk in what is going on, and it's that actually new information on any of the nominees. Now this House is embarrassed. Ma obia enka say minority because we caution, we won, and we were ignored. And the majority decided to have their way. So if there's any embarrassment in the future, let it not be said, we have stated our case, we've made.
Ote, the Honorable Member of Parliament for Norton King. Now, why quite na Parliament, nay, Moyaje, Moho, Setremina, Honano, and anything. And no idea, Semisi.
Oh, Nana, I'm a Faquanian, Minchia. Minchia T4. Na Machia also, Isha.
Bam.
Na Enra, Nisi, ano. Majidi say, minority for Nankasano. Meno, I'm very surprised about their behavior. Because, you may in the interest of Mother Ghana. Ghana for na Sumom. The Emraso say, Besumom, yeah, neighbors, the Mreka Krabeka. Let me say it shouldn't be a big deal because Asida and Yafina Ebabesi. Nana, so if Parliament and Juman Ayana, a woman say, Yetimisha Mrase, and I say, free summary, you could do summary, yet Yaya, Nkebia, Yediajuma, Betso, Naya Kona Samba. But every week, no, your business committee are your programming business. Every week, Biano say, majority leader, where the leader of the house, at the end, go through the week. That is how we do it. It's a business, be or when I say, we program for it. Although everything I can say, I can't point this time here, but because there is a business to do, no, you beg members, talk with members, and then you readjust your calendar. It is also when you have a business committee and the program by minority leader, I can say, or receive consent, say, or to me beyond Wednesday. And majority leader catch them say, yes, it's true, you know, break. Yanya, okay, up to Wednesday, but we have program now, either your mission now. You see a year up to Wednesday, I didn't end me. In the business statement, it clearly states, we are working from Monday to Friday.
But the issue now, more arrangements be said, because I remember say in Parliament, Honorable Haruna Idris raised it, said 110 so I'm going to me vet you in a party because quite my first one marry him near so down as there was an arrangement be and I feel more fine asem. That's what I could is saying.
There is no any such arrangement. Let me catch you say, even minority leader, he's on record. You bet me attest to the fact say, Onukura proposal say, and I'm surprised I'm talking about numbers. Minority leader and Kasane proposal say, even deputy minister, looking at your responsibility as members of parliament. And Juma say, you approve nominees now, president the buy. Now, for me, government, I'm a president. That is the executive wing. And Sunday, I'll break. That was our decision. It is our responsibility as a house to approve the nominees and make sure that they are sworn in and the government machinery will be in place.
Now, again, I'm
Oh, Bibia ain't me, but if you were opportunity say you bet me 2 days, at the IS Adiana, I didn't think NSA copium near Saba, Nanaya. Because on the minority leader, no one they propose you say, we should even the appointment committee should do 8 a day. He didn't propose it.
Yes, but at the time of proposing, and he was like, okay, yeah, 8 no crown still. One shot, you and TM say, see, do baby, I train so near Betwaso.
Oh, Nana, Enra. Oh, no, boycott no boycott your natural situation because they agreed that they were going to do business on Wednesday. Yesterday was a Wednesday. Omo decided say omo appointment committee. Omo and today the last batch of the ministers will be done. So where is the problem? Because they have just yesterday and today to finish the appointment committee issues.
No, we are on the brebe assess it. Now, or Mamma Quine say, yes, you're in.
Oh, Nana, may say, and the appointment committee is going to do the last batch of deputy ministers.
Vetting.
Yes, they're going to do it, and then we'll take the report tomorrow, and then the president can do the swearing in on Saturday or Monday, and the whole system is in place. You know,
I don't know what goes on in Parliament. Minim say be a vet in the Koswa. Na say minim say be the quorum near there. Parliament mo ye sitting a quorum or say be as a mo kotwa ba na bibia. Minim say vetting committee once and the majority for one net. Was there any issue or na say ye benya issue be about quorum ana?
Oh, your standing orders are order 48 and the Constitution, Article 1021. It clearly tells us that we need just a quorum. We don't, in Parliament, you can't get everybody at all the time, but it's good to build consensus, and that is what we are all trying to do. Over 2012, Abana Yeto Yana, Yeura 2013, I'm the court. With the MPP, by then decided that we won't have any business to do with government. We didn't take part, but they invited almost all their ministers, they formed government, and then we all lived under the administration. You know, we didn't want it that way. There's a moment say they won't take part. Today, like this, we are 25 members. They are 25. MPP, we are 15. They are 10. It is almost say, we just form a quorum, and then we vet the other.
Affected vets, in any way.
What's it?
Who said a bear affect even the members no national. They are very once the minority people or money hono probably the more casano they won't feel comfortable. So after all, you're passing.
Well, I may say, yeah, as a house, and Ghanaians, Nana, we should all see this country as our country, and we work to improve in that because currently, we have just today to do that. And almost say Constitution also my client say you need a quorum to be able to do business. So if we have the quorum, we will do business.
But the kind of questions that Ghanaians expect to say be a minority for probably is assumed say woman the babies are hard questions, so that we get Nipano exactly the own Nipanimu and what the person can do. But see what would have changed?
We would have loved. You see, I may say it is a house that we have to build consensus all the time. And in every democracy, the opposition is very important. At least they are there to check government. And established say we have spoken to them enough. Say today we have just 2 days to sacrifice and form this government. If they think that they will not do it, and that is why Ghanaians in voting, they decide to vote and give majority to a party at a point in time.
The majority will have its way.
Last time, they didn't say because the minority didn't come, they would do business.
Yeah.
It is the same way today. We are not also going to say we will not going to do business because the minority is not. They are not going to take part.
Now I say the FNC. Honorable Matthew Ninam, one member of Parliament Pandai, was also a majority. Deputy Majority Chief Whip or Parliament. The ACA or Parliament, Munchi Mudia Bangana, Hayati.